to make some kale chips. So I'm gonna just double check my kale and make sure that all of this sauce is nice and evenly mixed in with the kale. And once I feel like it's looking good, we're ready. Sometimes you just want to keep mixing it. I don't know, it's weird. It's very weird. Okay, we're ready. So I have going to take my kale, and we are using the Harvest Saver dehydrator. So this tray is 4 feet by 6 feet, and I have lined it with some brown dehydrating paper. It's brown because it's not white, because white paper means it's bleached. And we don't want to make these super healthy, super delicious snacks and then dry them on bleached paper. That just doesn't make sense to us. So that's why we use this brown paper. All right, so when dehydrating, I have this big pile of kale. The next tip is to spread your kale out. You want it to be single layer, no pieces overlapping. Keep them close together because the pieces will shrink and they'll have lots of space between them. Also, you don't want to have your kale all like clumped up in a ball. You want to shake it out, flop it out, lay it on the paper. So I'm going to keep going and doing this until I have all of my kale spread out over all of these trays. So that's our tip and trick for today. So if you have questions or comments, I would love to know. Drop those in the comment section below. Happy kale chipping it up, and I will see you soon. Stay awesome.